All right, folks. Hi, everybody. Hi, everybody. Saturday's coming to a close here, and it's getting close to quitting time. Usually I'm working on my stuff or anybody else's. I pretty much call it quits around 5 or 6, I believe, since the last time y'all tuned in. Hey, Kimberly. The last time y'all tuned in, I had not polished this side of that wheel or the rotor. I have now done so using that old rotary polisher with that attachment on there. That little pad spins. Hey, Miss Melanie! And Danny Peterson, hey, boy, I'd seen you online in a while. I guess Miss Anita's making you toe the line, boy. Anyway, as I talked about earlier, I had finished. Now, I have polished this wheel. I believe earlier we had just cleaned it up a good bit. But now it's all polished up. And I don't know if y'all remember, but it looked just like the back wheel does, which I haven't even started on that yet. I'm considering waiting until my stands come in so I can get it up off the ground and I can just rotate the tire instead of having to push the motorcycle back and forth to get to all the parts that are inaccessible. And since you guys were last here, everything I wet sanded and all kind of brushed, dual brushed with a copper brush because it's a little softer. Those pieces there, and there, didn't fool with that, and did all that stuff like we talked about when I did the other side of the motor. And then I went back and polished that, and that. So it's looking a lot better now. I'm fairly happy with it considering the age of the bike and how poorly it was maintained appearance-wise. So, just giving y'all a last-minute catch-up here. That front wheel, that looks pretty good. I don't think it looked like that when it was new because I don't think they were polished aluminum. Well, they are now. I think they were just brushed or something, but now they're polished. And I can't wait to get on that one, get it done, and then start putting all the clear coat restore on here. And make it really spiffy then, and then put it all back together. I got pieces laying everywhere. I got the seat over there. That's the chain guard. I've got all these pieces up here on my workbench that I've taken off and spiffed up. Man, what a marathon. What a marathon, y'all. Motorcycles are a pain. That's why I don't really go after the motorcycle detailing business too much because it's such a pain. And you can't really charge enough for it to make it worth my while. You know, not to be reasonable about it. Oh, well, there we go. Yeah, Melanie, you got one of my favorite pictures of you up there. Photographs. I know. You take pictures and you draw photographs, right? No, it's the other way around. You take photographs and draw pictures, right, Melanie? Hey, boy, y'all give me a thumbs up or a like or whatever it is we do here on Facebook Live. And I'm about to go in and scrounge around and see what I've got thawed out for my supper. But I think my light went out. I think that stuff came out looking pretty good. Pretty good. Not bad at all. I'm pretty happy with it, Melanie. I'll talk at y'all later. Thanks for tuning in.